How to delete contacts in iPhone. So go ahead and open the Contacts application. Once this opens, click on the contact icon in the middle part of the icons below. This will show you all of your contacts. In the Contacts tab, navigate to the contact that you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the contact quickly. Tap on the contact to open its details. Once the contact details are displayed, tap on the Edit button located on the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to make changes to the contact. Scroll down to the bottom of the contact editing page and you'll find a Delete Contact option in red. Tap on Delete Contact to confirm the deletion. A pop-up message will appear to confirm the action. Tap Delete Contact again to permanently remove the contact from your iPhone. Another way to do this is to long press the contact that you want to remove. These additional settings will then show, and from here, click on Delete Contact. So that is how to delete contacts in iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.